Hello, welcome back to Brassic Classics. It's been a little bit of a gap through the coronavirus pandemic, but now we're back. Massive thank you to everyone who subscribed. We've now reached 1,000 subscribers, which is a bit mad, given this is basically just my hobby and an excuse for me to buy more and more cars, which, as you'll see in the coming weeks, is going well. The T4 is gone. I answered the question, can you buy a T4 and get into the Volkswagen world cheaply? The answer is no, you can't. Don't bother, just buy one that runs. Anyway, today we're back on the Jag. As you can see, it's up on blocks, wheels are off, they've been refurbed, brand new tyres, full refurb. And I've also removed the driver's side cat. We've only done one because they're expensive, and the other one seems all right. If it goes, we'll do that one as well. Anyway, so basically, the cat had it basically crumbled to bits inside, was making a horrendous rattle when you drove the car. Sounded like the bottom end of the engine was falling out, but it wasn't. So I've removed that, put the new cat in. I haven't actually tightened everything up yet because it sounds amazing without a cat in it. And if it was legal, I would leave the cat out because listen to how this sounds. It's like American V8 muscle, but in a Jag. I mean, this Jag technically is a Ford, so it depends how you look at it. Right now. So yeah, it's quite loud, and I have still got to do up the cat at the manifold end, so there's quite a lot of smoke. And as you can hear, a little bit of a belt squeal. Not sure if that's fan belt or what. I suspect it's probably fan belt. Anyway, I'm going to show you the old cat. Just 1 second, I'll grab it. So here's the old cat, and as you can hear, as you can see, it's fallen to bits, and that's why we replaced it. So yeah, next up, I've just got to put the oxygen sensor back in the cat. Put 2 bungs because the cat has various different sensor positions depending on what car you're putting it on. It is a Jag cat, but apparently you can put it on various different Jags. So I've got 2 bungs to put in, oxygen sensors to put back on, exhaust clamp underneath, and then just tighten up the bolts to the manifold, and it's done. Oh, and then put the wheels on, and it's done. Anyway, I'm going to bring you in, show you the cat quickly, and then I'll show you the finished article. Okay, so down there you can just about see the manifold studs and the bolts, and back there is the cat. The little bit that comes off, that's where the oxygen sensor is going to go in, and the oxygen sensor is dangling down there somewhere. Then it's just a case of popping on a few bits of plastic and we're done. Okay, so that's the Jag done, the cat's on, everything's tightened up. The O2 sensor's back in and it all seems all right. Wheels are on. I'll bring you in to have a look at the refurb wheels, new tyres, total refurb from Lepson's, and they look awesome. Steve is just talking up the wheels now, aren't you, Steve? Oh, yeah.
Just scratching this one for you.
Just scratching the freshly painted wheels, nice. This is how the car now should sound. It had a horrible rattle before. It could do with a new belt because that's a little bit squeaky, but let's see.
I'll block your eyeballs here.
So yeah, that's how it should sound. No more horrible rattling catalytic converter. The full refurb of the wheels, because I've got a friend that's got trade accounts. I think it costs about 50-60 quid a wheel for the tyres, and the refurb was about 280, but as I said, it's a trade account, as a major discount. So all in, not bad really. I think we're at about, I don't know, 700 quid for the cat, full wheel refurb. I've just got to replace the internal climate control panel because the screen's gone a little bit weird. And apart from that, we're all good. Thanks for watching Brassic Classics. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. As I said earlier, we're over 1,000 subscribers now. Next week, new car. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and goodbye. So these are fully refurbed alloys. Ignore the slight rust issue. That's next on the list. I've got centre caps coming, but yeah, I'm really pleased. They look absolutely lovely compared to how they did look.